In today's video tutorial, we are going to be coding up the French flag using Python's turtle module. As you can see, it's simply made up of three rectangles, a blue, a white, and a red. In our case though, we're just going to have a white background and slap a blue and a red rectangle on top of our page. Alrighty, so let's head over to Mu, make ourselves a new file, and we're going to write in from turtle import star. So we're importing all the functions from the turtle module. We'll set our speed to 0, which is the quickest speed turtle will draw at, and then we'll set up our page to be 800 wide by 500 pixels in height. We'll then call the penup function to lift our pen up off the page, because we're going to go to, which means we're going to move our turtle to the coordinates -400 for the x value and 250 for the y value. We can then put our pen back down on the page ready for some drawing. So I'm going to start with the blue rectangle. Let's put a comment in that says that, and I'm going to change my color to dark blue. Then I'm going to begin my fill and move forward 267 pixels. 267. Let me just fix that up. There we go. I'm making a few typos. Once we've gone forward 267, we'll chuck a right turn at 90 degrees and then go forward 500 pixels before turning right 90 degrees again and going forward 267 pixels one more time. We can then end the fill. That'll make our first blue rectangle. Just save it up. We want to call it France flag or French flag, and give it a run, and make sure you've got a blue rectangle sitting here at the start of your page. Okay, so that's looking good. Now for the next section, we need to actually do a U-turn, so I'm going to turn right 180 degrees, and then on the next line I'm going to lift my pen up off the page, because we do need to move to a new set of coordinates in a second. Instead of typing in the coordinates, I'm just going to go forward 534 pixels, which is going to take me over to the other side of the flag where I can draw the red rectangle. So I'm going to put my pen back down once I'm in that position, because we are ready to start drawing the next section. So I'll put in a little comment that says red rectangle. And I'll push enter a couple of times here so you can see what I'm writing. Now we need to change the color, because at the moment the color is set to blue, so let's change that color to red. We'll begin our fill, and we'll move forward 267 pixels. We'll then chuck a left turn at 90 degrees and go forward again 500 pixels, left 90 degrees and forward 267 pixels again. We'll end our fill there and hide our turtle so we can't see the little turtle drawing our shapes, and that should be us done. Save it up, give it a run. You've got your blue rectangle, your red rectangle, your white background, which leaves you with the French flag.